Okay, here we are. We've logged on to the domain using DC1 or the domain controller interactively. And in this video I'll show you how you can create a domain account and add that domain account to the domain admins group to make it a domain administrator. So the first thing we want to do is to take a look at the current user accounts that are on this domain. So if I type net user, we can see there are 3 accounts there. There's the administrator account, which is enabled. There's a guest account that is created when you promote this box to become a domain controller. However, it is disabled by default. And there's a third user account called KRBTGT, which is a service account for the Kerberos authentication process. So what we want to do is we want to create a user account which we are going to name admin1, and we're going to be admin1 on our workstation whenever we log on to that, so that there's no confusion as to whether we're logging on to the network or we're using a local user account. So to create that admin1 account, it's simply net user /add. Give it the name of the account that you're creating, followed by the password you want that user to use. Now if I issue the net user command, we can see that admin1 is now one of our user accounts. So far so good. Now let's take a look at the membership role of the domain admins group. And to do that, we're going to type net group domain admins. Now I encase that domain admins group with a pair of double quotes because there's a space between the 2 words. If I hit enter here, this will show me the current role, membership role of that group. And the only user account that's in that group right now is the administrator account. So to add the admin1 user to this group, it's simply net group domain admins /add and then admin1. Now when we take a look at the group membership of the domain admins group, we can see that we have admin1 who is now a member of this group. So that's all there is to creating a user account at the command prompt and adding that user to a particular group.